Welcome back to the fourth part of this tutorial. So what I'm going to do now is, since I'm able to select this, I want to be able to repeat the same thing here. So I'm going to exit out and let's come right here. Okay, this is the first lines of code, so I'm going to, okay, I will enter that right up here. Okay, this function, I'm going to call this function product. Right, this should be F. Okay, for product, the first thing I like to do is let's specify the value equals, and that is supposed to be for the string, for the that's supposed to be for the combo box I intend to use. Dot combo, and it's called product type. Dot get there. Then I'm going to say p type, that's just shortened for product type, equals values. Now let's use an if statement to check whatever value we have in there. If p type equals, let's say learn more, close that, and semicolon there. Then the product, in product code, I call that dot set, and we just make up some reference there for the code. Right, so close that. Then cost per day dot set, and I'm gonna make that about £12. So now what else? Let's go for the credit check. Credit check dot set, that will be no, because we haven't carried out any check on this customer. Then let's say set due, that should be day anyway, set due cost, but the variable is called day, equals, I'm just gonna make that £12 because I intend to use that for my calculation. I'm not gonna enter any pound sign onto that. Now the next one, let's see, the next one, that'll be payment due. No payment due for now until item is purchased. Then let's say deposit the set, that'll be no as well. But there are other options there that can be used to set the deposit for yes or no. Dot set, and this will be cash there. Okay, let's carry out a bit of calculation here. So n equals float, so I just want to add up whatever we have in here. So I'm going to grab the last credit check because that shows the amount that is in there, this very one. Copy that, copy, and paste that here. Dot get. Now s equals grab this, paste that here, dot get. Okay, now let's say price, that's a local variable, equals, and that will be multiplied by s, so the number of item multiplied by the cost. This is the cost here, and this is, there should be an e here, or else it's not going to work because the variable up there has an e. Okay, now one more thing. Now let's say tc equals £, comma, convert it to string. And what are we converting to string? And that is going to be that's going to be price. Right, and let's say pay due day dot set equals tc. Okay, so that's the very first one. So I'm going to just run it and select the learn more and see how this is going to work. But before we can do that, we actually need to call this product inside the total button. So let's scroll right down, total button, right there, command equals that. Alright, so let's run it and see how, let's see. So if that works, then this one is there and that. Let's see. It's not. Let's see what happened. If there's any error. There's no error. There's no error. I think I made a mistake, because I was meant, instead of calling this product here, I was meant to call it, instead of calling it in total, I was meant to call the product. No, this is wrong. Get rid of that. I was meant to call it inside the button itself, or inside the combo box. Let's see the combo box here somewhere. Yeah, there we go. That's the one I did earlier, so I'm just going to copy that. Let's copy it. Now come right here and just paste that here, and this is meant to be product. There, and the name, change the name. Let's come right here, copy that and paste it right here. Okay, so let's try that again. Run, save. Yeah, okay, let's assume we selected something here and we click on this. Yeah, that's it. That is working. Okay, this is multiplied by this to give us the total of this. That is good. So now all I'm just going to do is copy and paste. So the first one is taken care of, so just copy all of this, and let's use else if. Else if, paste that. In this case, if the product or the item is pickup, if it's pickup van, so the pickup van will be, as a PV, it's for whatever, let's make that up, and here will be £19. Here is 19 as well. And that's that. Taken care of. Easy. Now, just copy all of this and change it for the other one. Paste. And the other product is, that will be a cement mixer. So come up here and change that to cement mixer. Yeah, that's the reference for the cement mixer, and all other component on it is taken care of as well. And finally, the electric generator is taken care of as well, just to speed up things. Right, so let's run it and you guys see how this works. Come in here, run the product and see. There we go. Let's say we select how many days, and we have that. That's fine, and that is fine as well, and there, that is fine. That's good. Okay, one other thing is I need to change all of these to yes or no. So let's go in there. That will be right frame 0. So let's change that before I forget again. Right frame right. Yeah, right frame 0. I can just copy something and just bang it there. Where is it? Yeah, copy all of these. So if there's any changes to be made, you just change that to yes or no. 1, 2, and there's another one here. One more. There we go. All sorted. I believe there's one more. It's 5 in total. Okay, that is taken care of as well. So run it. Yeah. So if we select, yeah, and select whatever, supposing we don't want anything there, we can just carry out a correction. So that's fine. Reset. Now let's take care of this. When I click on this, I want it to display the items right here. Okay, close that, and right underneath here where I have my product, yeah, right underneath the product. Okay, let's press enter, and the first one is going to be, the first method will be called check credit. For the check credit, I'm going to have to use an if statement to check what value I have inside my variable one.get. If you guys can still recall, I actually declared that right up here. That's it. So I'm now checking this. So yes, 1 is going to be for on and 0 is for off. So if equals 1, let's put a column there. If it equals 1, this is what I would like it to do. I want it to be self dot txt info dot insight and comma and backslash. So that should give me a tab. Now let's say check credit. Check credit approved. Right. Backslash n and close that. Okay. Else I can just convert the whole thing to 0 here. Let's just use else if. Else if this becomes 0, then we want this. Copy all of this. I just want you to clear the whole lot and carry out your selection again. So I'm going to enter delete here. And this will become 1.0 end. Enter a comma there. There we go. So that is that taken care of. But for it to work, I will have to call this inside the checkbox button. So let's copy, and I have 4 of those, so I'm going to just paste 4, 2, 3, and 4. Paste the fourth one and just speed that up. Alright, so I'm going to speed up with the modification, but the next one here is going to be terms of agreement. And here just enter terms agreed. Wrong spelling. Yeah. Copy and paste that right here. I guess you guys get the whole idea. I'm just gonna speed that up now. Okay, all done. So I'm going to copy this now and just call it inside the checkbox itself. Let's scroll down somewhere here, and the checkbox should be here somewhere. Let's see. CHK. There we go. Right here. So I'm going to say comma command equals that. That's the first one. So I'm going to have to repeat the same thing for the others. Okay, so copy this and just paste it in there and repeat the same thing for the others. Okay, now copy the next one here. Terms of agreement. So come right down. Check. This is the second one. Paste that there. Now the next one, I think, let's see the name, let me guess it. Yep, account old. Okay, I'm going to copy this. This is the last one. Paste that here. As for account old, I should be able to remember that. Let's hope I'm right. Paste that here and get rid of this. Yeah. Okay, let's save and run. I have an error. Okay, check. The name is not defined. Let's see. So what name do I have in there? Okay, I think it's correct, but let's run it one more time. It might be to do with my, I think it's to do with the indentation. Let's come up here and just okay then. Oh no, is the indentation. Select it all there, and let's come to format, and we can de-indent it. That's it. Let's move the tab back. So let's run it now one more time. There we go. Yeah, it's now working. Everything is working the way I want. So all that is left for me to do now is to take care of the total and display some data there. So let's come right underneath here and just take care of the total, or maybe right underneath here. Okay, with the total, I'm going to call that total cost. There. And I will just copy all of this here, everything here, copy that. And I'll just change it to run copy and paste that right in here. Okay, get that indented as well. The indented, that is fine. Okay, so let's see what do we need to take care of. That is correct. Now we need to change this to ST. That would be for subtotal, and here I'm going to have to change this to subtotal. So ST. Okay, and this will become subtotal. Alright, my subtotal is taken care of. Now before that, let's come right here. I'm going to call that iTax. iTax equals as follows. So I'm going to copy all of these and just paste it there. There, that should take care of my tax, but I need to multiply that by something. So let's come in here and say multiply by 0.5, or yeah, 0.15. Okay, close that, and right here. Okay, now let's say tax dot set equals iTax. There. Now finally we need the total. Let's bring it down. For the total, that is going to be TC, that's total cost, equals all of this. I'm going to copy all of this, everything there, paste it right in here. Now I'm going to have to add, let's say plus price. That's my total taken care of. Plus price, and yeah, that's fine. Come right down here and just say total dot set equals TC. Yeah. So let's call total inside total command button itself. And right here, comma command equals total. So let's run it and see how that's going to work. No error, that's good. Select something and select any of these, whatever. Total, yeah, but we're missing this. This is missing. What did I do wrong? Alright. Okay, let's go back in there. Where is it? Product total. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm just going to add another bracket there. Yeah, and let's run that again and see. Hopefully it should work this time around. Okay, let's come in here and just select total. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, all that is left for us now is the receipt. Now let's come right down here for the receipt. I will have to speed that up and get right back to you guys. And right there, guys, those are the lines of code for the receipt. Have a good look at it. Inside total as well. So I'm going to save and run. whatever in there and check any of these. Click on the receipt. There we go, guys, and we even have today's date there. Right, resets. Select another product. Now let's select this first. Select another product entirely, and maybe this. Come right down here. Click. There we go. So with that, guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed, and please do subscribe, and you can always join to be a member of the channel. You all have a nice day. Bye for now.